So with CSS, you can also select different kind of classes. So a class in CSS is basically, we could, for example, add this style in here in the CSS file, and instead of saying every div, we only want to attach every div with the class of box. So every div with the class of box would have this exact style. So what we can do now is we can actually just go here and copy and paste it. This easy here, and then you can just make it look like this. If you want to, you can also have space here, but just looks better without the space. Then you can go in and say dot box, which means class, just like this again, and you can go in and add these two here. Doesn't matter if it's on the same line or if it's on a new line. Ideally, the code that other people might want to see should be each on its own line, and there's different kind of style guidelines on how you should format these kind of files. Some people would, for example, prefer it like this, whereas I prefer it like this. This is again a taste of style. It's not really that. There might be different rules for different kind of companies when you do development there. So we are just selecting a class here, which is this one, and then we are saying this have this style. It's the exact same thing. It's the only difference is we can remove this now, and then it would look normal. So if you go in here now, it would look normal. But we can also do even more things. We can go in and put in a lot of those. We use it. And then just go in here. Wait, sorry about this. There you go. So if we now go in and copy and paste this a couple of times, you will see the exact same result. And this is classes. So classes is reusable. You can use it on any element. You can even go in and use it here, and then remove the div here. This will look a little bit different if you, for example, have some spacing in there, and we're gonna learn about that later on. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you in the next one.